everyone, this is Satya. Welcome back to the second part of 5 smart words where you learn how to avoid the word very and replace it with much better vocabulary words to sound better in English. This is the second part of 5 smart words. If you haven't watched the first part, I have provided the link in the description box below. Please watch, learn and try to use them in your daily conversations. Let's begin. Word number 1. Perilous. Perilous, which means very risky. Let's say one example. It's perilous to go outside without mask. Let's say one more example. It's perilous to climb Mount Everest. So instead of using very risky, try to use the word perilous. Word number 2. Terrified. Terrified, which means very afraid. Let's see one example. After I saw the horror movie, I was terrified. Let's see one more example. My dog is terrified of loud noises. So instead of using very afraid, try to use the word terrified. Word number 3. Frail. Frail, which means very weak. Let's see one example. You are looking frail. Let's see one more example. She lie in bed looking particularly frail. So instead of using very weak, try to use the word frail. Word number 4. Buslink. Buslink, which means very crowded. Let's see one example. The street is bustling. Let's see one more example. It's better not to go outside, especially to bustling places. So instead of using very crowded, try to use the word bustling. Word number 5. Vibrant. Vibrant. You can use this word in 2 cases. One is very colorful and other one is very energetic. Let's see one example. I love Kerala as it is a vibrant state. Let's see one more example. She is a vibrant and passionate woman. So instead of using very colorful or very energetic, try to use the word vibrant. These are the 5 smart words that you can use in your daily conversation and stop using the word very. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.